I'd like to introduce you to the new range of GTRM Cobra garden mowers. These are rotary mowers and all three of them have a rear roller as well, which will give a fantastic stripe on your lawn. They're lightweight and they've all got powerful electric motors there. So in the range here, we've got the smaller one, and this is a 34 centimetre, 13-inch width cut. So ideal for those smaller gardens, but it's got lots of really good features on it. First of all, it's got 6 different heights of cut, which we simply alter from this lever at the front, so that lifts the whole mowing deck, so you can mow down to 20 millimeters or up to 70 millimeters with this one. So these are really good and useful. It's got the grass comb at the front, these little ridges, which all three of them have got, so that will lift the grass as well, so that you get a much better finish. This one doesn't have a mulch plug, so it does have a grass collector here, and it's got a little indicator on there. When that is flapping, it tells you that the box is collecting the grass clippings. When it stops flapping, it means it's full, and it tells you it's time to empty. So it makes life so much easier. All the grass collectors are net, so that means you get a really good flow of air through there, so much better grass collection. Really handy to pick up. It's got a carry handle there, so nice and light. And it's also got a handle here that you can adjust into 3 different positions simply by loosening these 2 levers here, and you can adjust it to make it really comfortable to mow with. So at the moment it's on the lowest, but we can take it a little bit higher if you're that little bit taller. And of course, these handles can fold down to make it really easy for storage. So a great mower for smaller lawns. But if you've got something a little bit bigger, then we have these 2 here. So we've got the 370 millimeter and we've got the 400 millimeter here. So we've got the 14 and the 16-inch models here. This one has a powerful engine as well. This one has got a 1400 watt. This one has got a 1600 watt electric motor on there. The features on these are identical. The only difference is one is slightly wider cut than the other. So if we look at it here, this one, to adjust the height of cut, slightly different to the smaller one there. We have this button here which is on the carry handle, and we literally just drop that down and lift that back up. So this one has 7 cut-in heights from 25 mil to 75 mil. These 2 are both exactly the same, so really easy to adjust that height of cut. And again, we've got the grass comb there just so that you get that really good finish. These have an extra feature. Both of these can be used to collect your grass clippings with the grass box here that it detaches very, very easily. And again, we've got the indicator flap there to tell us when the box is full. But these also have inside a mulch plug, and the mulch plug goes in there so that it stops the grass being blown out. It chops it fine underneath, blows it down into the cover of grass, so it feeds the lawn, keeps it green and healthy. The secret is, of course, to mow little and often so that you're not getting long grass on there. So you can use it with or without. So 2 methods of mowing there. Again, we've got easy to adjust handles, 3 different heights for your comfort, and we can easily fold down the top one for storage so that we can just simply pick it up, take it away and put it in the shed. And all of them, of course, come with a long lead and are very, very easy to use. So what we're going to do now, we've had a quick look at them, we're going to get one of them and put it into use on the lawn. Operating the 3 mowers in the GTRM range is all the same, but just before I actually show you how to start it, one thing I do want to just mention is that they have got a little roller there, a little mini roller. So we've got 4 wheels, but we also have a roller there, and that will give you a gentle stripe rather than just wheel marks in the grass. You will get that little gentle stripe when you mow your lawn. So starting very easy, I'm going to mow with the grass collection. So I've taken out the mulch plug, so this literally just clicks onto the back very easily like that. Height of cut, never start too low. That's a really good tip when you're mowing the lawn. You can always go lower, but if you go too short and scalp the lawn, it damages it and stresses it. So I'm starting on setting 3. If I feel I need to be a bit shorter, I can go down a little bit. And to start the mower, First of all, always be safety conscious and be aware that you've got an electric cable. So we've got this slider holder here, and then what I tend to do is hold it in one hand just to make sure it's trailing behind me. And to start it is very simple. We just push the button on the right there, and at the same time we pull back this lever when we want to get the blades engaged, and off we go. So there you have it, that's the Cobra GTRM range of new rotary mowers. They're very easy to use and perfect for small to medium sized gardens. So hope you enjoy mowing your lawn. For more information on this mower and all the products in the range, go to cobragarden.co.uk.